Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cameron. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Now, you guys know the car behind me. This is my dune buggy. I love this car. This car has not been so nice to me over these last few weeks. One thing, when we first started building this car, we did some testing and it was going good. Everything was fine. Got the car on the road and the car caught on fire. Didn't love that. That is the second time that a car has been on fire when I'm in it. And I am not the biggest fan of seeing flames come from my car. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to install some things to kind of make my car a little safer. Now, as you can see, I am not the tallest guy. I'm about 5'11", and this car is not big. It is actually very, very, very small. The car is not very tall. And driving in traffic, it is kind of scary. So we're gonna do a couple things. One, we're gonna put a fire extinguisher in the car. I don't want it to start on fire again, but if it does, we have it just in case. Two, I'm gonna install a flag. Now I'm gonna steal you to come with me real quick. On the car, it came with a flag mount, which is super nice of whoever built the car way back when to put that on there. So I have an old whip. It's an old R1 whip from the Racer that we're gonna put on there to hopefully make the car just a little bit taller. That's gonna stay there. Because when I was driving through traffic the other day, I had a big T350 Ford van come up behind me, and I can say that that wasn't the most secure I've ever felt in one of my vehicles, because I don't know if he saw me. So, fire extinguisher, flag, and then we're gonna install some blinkers as well. They finally came. I ended up getting some, you're actually gonna stay? Stay. Nice. I ended up getting just some of these little cheap stick-on. They're motorcycle ones, so they're gonna fit around the roll cage in the back, and then on the front, I'm gonna stick them on the outside of the suspension. So, this is gonna be one later because we have to wire those all in, but I mean, let's just get started with the flag, because that hopefully should be the easiest. So, one little mount and a flag hole. Let's get right on it. Now, super simple on this one. If my measurements are correct, this should just bolt right in. Like that. Haha, look at that. Lock washer on bottom. And a bit of that action on top. And then I just need to find out which way this goes. That's pretty much spot on there. Cool, we're gonna lock that in right now. I think it's a, can I guess it right first try? No, I cannot. It's empty. Flag. Nice. That's gonna go right there. And we're gonna give it a little bit of one of these guys just to keep the wiring out of the way. And a little snip. Perfect. Now, it's not much taller, but it's taller than me. So, for above 5'11", hopefully they can see me a little better. Flag will flow that way. And of course I curved it. Cool. That was easy enough. That should stay on nicely. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the extinguisher. And in the car right now, let's go ahead and just, I've got that bag. And that bag needs to find a new home. I like this bag. PRP. It's great because what it carries is starter fluid. Big truck coming through. Nice. So the bag I've got starter fluid, I've got ear muffs in here that are actually gonna come back out because I thought my shooting muffs would muffle the sound a little bit. But I've got starter fluid and I've got a jumper box, a little tiny one, just in case the car leaves me stranded somewhere. So, what I'm thinking with this is we're gonna take it, you come over here, I'm gonna move it from, right, oh, too close, from that one to that one. And it will live behind my seat. Let's just go throw that on the side. I hope this works, because if it does, that would be great. And it doesn't. So I just got these ones off Amazon. These are our fire extinguisher mounts. Fairly simple design. What should I do? Upright. Uh-oh. Down. I think down is going to be our play because up does not fit. So right. Alright, there's one. Let's find out what size this is. I'm thinking of 10. How much you want to bet? Man, sometimes I'm okay at this. Alright, boom. Just like that, easy peasy. Zoom you in. Oh, too far. Installed. Now let's grab the fire extinguisher, which is right here. Take this guy. I don't think that ain't going nowhere. Cool, extinguisher mounted. That's 2. All right, so we got bag mounted up in there. I hope that doesn't put too much strain on the hood. It was a little tight on that strap there. We'll see how that holds. I don't know if that's gonna be a permanent solution for that. Fire extinguisher mounted. There's a little side-to-side play. Gotta really get after it though. But not much in and out, and then flag to hopefully have people see me a little bit better, because I'll tell you what, in a car this small with trucks as big as they are, it is a little scary to have them pull up right behind you. So let's I want to go take her out for a drive. What do you think? So we're gonna get you out of the way, we're gonna get the bike out of the way, and let's get all packed up and go. Just gotta give a little pre-drive check to give her a little love. Oil cooler mount was coming a little loose. Oil looks good. We're gonna check the front end. Normal. And I'm thinking a little liquid love is what she needs. Easy enough, let's go for a drive. Zooming, zooming, zooming. I had to go get a jacket for me and a towel to set you guys on, because I ain't putting you on the hard floor, so let's get that all strapped in there. Let's go, we're gonna put it in neutral. Give her fire. Well, we went for our little drive. It's real windy. Hope it's not too bad for you guys. And it's getting dark out here. So we are starting to head back home. I don't think you guys can tell how dark it really is, but sunset is looking real nice. Had like 4 or 5 different cops that drive on by, which is fine because the car is street legal, technically. So we're taking it out. It's a beautiful night. I think I'm gonna cruise around for just a little bit more and then go take her home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the new parts, because I sure do. I really want that flag to become lit up, but it is broken. And then our little gas tank in there. Gas tank. Fire extinguisher. So, not gas tank, but yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I will see you all in the next one. We'll be working on the Mustang a little bit more. Until then, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you all later. Peace out.